Welcome back to CBC2, where we have a little confusion. But before we do that, luckily some other bits came in, so we can get on with those instead. Yes, we have our orange handlebar twist grip. Yeah, except it's black. And that slips on there, somewhat like that. Obviously this bit goes inside here once we start hooking everything up. But yeah, perfect. Look at that. How perfect did I judge where that went? The levers. Yeah, cool. So that's that done. That didn't take long. I suppose I could hook it up. Clutch cable as well. That needs sorting out, routing, etc, etc. So could do that, I suppose. You can tell I'm putting this electric stuff off, can't you? Time to drain the oil with some extra low baking trays, nice and clean, to collect the clean oil, hopefully for reuse. Another one lined up. There you go. How clever is that? So that's that all cleaned up, ready to paint. Talking of which, I have a cunning idea. Bear with me and watch closely. Orange numero uno. Chevrolet orange. Yes, the second orange that we're using on this bike. It's subtle, but you can see where I'm going with this, can't you? Et fini. I like it. Very 1970s. So it's not that I'm tight or anything, but the oil, which was brand new, that I collected in my basting trays, I actually distilled into here. And I had exactly 2 litres in here. And you can't see that, but now there's 3.5. And the good thing is, that's exactly how much this bike takes. So that's perfect. Worth doing. One start button mount. We have a resident lizard that lives actually under the gap between the door and the floor. looks rather cool, and that looks rather black and better than it did. It's not perfect, I know. Anyway, yeah, like my oil filter. Cool. Alright, well that's the engine kind of done. I'm still not sure about this cover. I am sure about the gear shift lever. I have painted it black. It's, there it is. Ah, yes, there it is. Yeah, well, almost black. Well, I think that just about wraps up the painting on this bike. Although, you never know. So we could probably wrap up this episode at the same time. Why not? Did you see what I did there? No, I don't mean the wrapping thing. I mean, yes, carefully avoiding looking at the electrics again. Well, maybe next time around, if you're lucky. I know you're all awaiting with eager anticipation of the electrical nightmare that will ensue, undoubtedly. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Give the video the thumbs up, subscribe down here somewhere, and encourage others to watch my lunacy.